Hey y'all, I'm Kinky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing hair from Wiggins. This is their 22-inch Kinky straight VPart wig, and the hair is super soft and full. It comes with clips on the inside so that you can easily clip it down for security. I decided I wanted to do some big wand curls, so right now I'm just combing the hair out. I didn't get any tangles or anything like that, so I love that. And for my hair, I do have just a minimal amount of leave out. I washed and conditioned my hair and it's currently still wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and start wand curling the hair, and then I'm going to move on to my leave out. And whenever I'm styling wigs, I usually just like to work in sections, so I'm going to start with this small back section first, and I'm just going to be taking random pieces and just wand curling it, because I want this to be kind of like a big messy look. So I'm just grabbing random pieces, and I actually misplaced my wand curler, so this is a little hack. If you have like a small curling iron, you can just use that as a wand curl. Instead of opening it up, you just wrap the hair around the whole curler and it works just as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and continue wand curling my hair, and I'll catch back up with you guys when I get to my leave out. Alright y'all, so now it's time to work on my leave out, and I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I'm just doing a middle part, so I'm just sectioning it off right now. Then I'm going to be applying some heat protectant, and my hair has been super healthy this year, so I'm trying to keep it that way. So I put in a lot of heat protectant just to make sure that I don't damage my curls.
And I'm just going to go section by section, and first I'm going to blow dry it and blow it out, and then I'm going to use my flat iron and straighten it.
And after I'm all done straightening my hair, I'm just going to take my curling iron and do some more wand curls and pretty much do the same thing that I did to the wig hair. I do have a little bit of the wig hair with my hair. This just helps it blend in a lot better. And I just love how nicely Kinky straight hair blends in with my hair. Like once I curl them together, like that literally looks like my hair. I love it. And y'all know I like big hair, so after I'm all done curling it, I just like to take some spritz, spray it in, and then I break all of the curls up. Not too much, but just enough to make it nice and fluffy. And then I also like to break my hair up in the front just to make sure that everything is blending together well. Next, I'm just adding some edge control to the front of my hair to make everything look nice and neat. And lastly, I like to use a wax stick just to lay down any flyaways and just make everything look nice, neat, and professional. Alright y'all, and here is the final look. I am so in love with this hair. Like I said, Kinky straight texture is like, it looks so much like natural hair, and I think the curls came out so pretty. It's giving me volume, big hair. I love it. I love how full this hair is, how shiny it is. This is just some really nice hair, and I will have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. And again, this hair is from Wiggins. This is their 22-inch Kinky straight V-part wig, and that is it for this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.